Some people say it takes 21 days to break a bad habit, but I think that's probably not realistic, especially if the habit has been part of your life for years. It's been over 3 weeks since I started my no-buy month, and I can tell you the urge to go online and shop is still there. However, it's not an overwhelming or uncontrollable urge, which is progress. So to keep the urge in check, I decided to dive into my decor closet, look at the items I already own with a fresh set of eyes, and spend some time styling my home. It's a great way to focus on being content with what I have instead of chasing the next new thing. Before we dive into today's video, I want to take a moment to thank all of you for your incredible support during my year of change. I've welcomed quite a few new subscribers recently, and the comments on the last 2 videos have truly been uplifting. Your encouragement means the world to me. To show my gratitude, I'm hosting a giveaway for 3 lucky viewers. Jess kindly reached out to me and sent me some of their gorgeous jewelry to review. I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to pay it forward and bless 3 of you with beautiful pieces. Jess, which stands for Je suis comme je suis, is a contemporary jewelry brand dedicated to empowering women to showcase their confidence and style through exceptional design, quality, and affordability. They offer premium earrings, necklaces, and bracelets crafted from a range of materials including solid gold, sterling silver, diamonds, moissanite, lab-grown gemstones, and freshwater pearls. Their pieces are perfect for various occasions such as office wear, family gatherings, and holidays. They value simplicity, quality, and sustainability and are committed to providing their customers with high-quality, cost-effective jewelry. The 3 items they sent me to review are the classic square emerald drop earrings, the brilliant sunflower moissanite pendant necklace, and the romantic green heart pendant necklace. The classic square emerald drop earrings feature stunning lab-grown emeralds set in 18-karat gold-plated sterling silver. Their graceful drop design adds a touch of sophistication, making them perfect for both daily wear and special occasions. The brilliant sunflower moissanite pendant necklace is a stunning blend of elegance and sparkle. Set in 925 sterling silver plated with 14-karat white gold, it resembles a 1-carat diamond in a sunflower-inspired design. And the romantic green heart pendant necklace is a captivating piece that combines elegance and charm. Crafted from 925 sterling silver, plated with 14-karat white gold, it features a heart-shaped AAA cubic zirconia gemstone. And this beautiful necklace is perfect for daily wear, social events, holidays, and parties. If you're looking for items as your personal signature piece, I think these items check all the boxes. And when you choose quality over quantity, you can wear a signature piece every day and never tire of it. I'm hoping the 3 lucky winners will enjoy these beautiful pieces and maybe even let go of jewelry that you haven't worn in a while, replacing them with these stunning items that truly make a statement. I did want to try on all of the pieces just to share with you how these look, and I will be cleaning the earrings before I give these away. Nothing brings me more joy than making other people happy, and I'm excited for 3 lucky winners to receive these. Jess also has sent me a 30% off coupon code. If you use Sherry30 at checkout, you can receive 30% off your purchase. And if you want to enter the giveaway for the necklace or the earrings, simply comment Jess, and in a few days, I will announce the winners in a community post. Please do not reply to anyone who claims you are the winner. I will only announce the winner on the community tab and instructions on how to contact me. A big thank you to Jess for sponsoring this video, and I'll leave links to their website in the description box below. I have a habit of buying home decor, tucking it away, and convincing myself it's not the right time to use it. As a result, it sits on the shelf indefinitely, waiting for that perfect moment that never comes. So I end up buying even more decor and repeating the cycle, which leads to overbuying. And seeing all the unused items I've purchased makes me feel a bit guilty. So instead of going down a rabbit hole on Pinterest, browsing home decor, room makeovers, and beautiful images, which usually leads me to impulse buy, I've decided to turn to my decor closet for inspiration and finally use what I already have to style my home. Anchors, you left your toy out. Go put your toy up. Go put your toy up. Go put it up. Here, go put it up. Go put it up. Go put it up, baby. I recently decluttered my home decor and now everything is organized in this closet. I love having it all in one place, which allows me to see everything at a glance, almost looking like a store. This helps curb the urge to buy even more decor that I really don't need. I bought these candelabras last year from Amazon and I love their unique shape. However, they're not as sturdy as they appear. They're actually quite lightweight. Even so, I still adore them, and these candles pair perfectly with their style. As I look at the pieces I already own, I try to view them as though I've never seen them before. I challenge myself to see their potential from a fresh perspective, imagining new ways to incorporate them into my space. By doing this, I can appreciate the beauty and versatility of what I have rather than getting caught up in the desire for something new. I rearranged the coffee table a few times because I wasn't satisfied with how the decor was placed. Eventually, I settled on a layout where I used a black tray to anchor everything, which made it easier to position the items. I like to say that I style my home to evoke a certain feeling, and if it doesn't give me the vibe I'm looking for, I'll keep playing with the pieces until that perfect moment hits. I thrifted this little easel for a couple of dollars and I love it, except for the name on the front, which takes away from its beauty. To fix this, I decided to cover it with some spray paint I had in my stash. While it doesn't drastically change the look, it helped to make the logo a lot less obvious.
People knew her by her will, to make it whatever she put her mind to. Late night hours up the hill.
I thrifted this large piece of artwork for only $20 and I absolutely love it. I believe abstract artwork is timeless and never goes out of style. While I adore the print, I wasn't a fan of the silver frame, so I decided to give it some character by adding some brass elements using rub and buff. Although it doesn't make a huge difference, I feel the brass tones help tone down the shine of the silver, giving the frame a more balanced and warmer look.